Jod bura mag Ford Kenya manie sirikand Kenya Kwanza wuok apiaya kaseyo sirikal kuom rem chopo singo mage. Jod bura go kotelnegi kod jaod bura matonga ren miluongo ni John Chikati olero ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ne ogolo singo mar gero apeini moko e kaunti ma Bungoma kod chulo jopur omenda. To kata kamano mano pok otimore nyaka sani. Jod bura go wacho ni sani koro jopiny oketo gi tesre ma ok ginyal kata dok pacho ni mar pok ochop kare singo manomigi.
When we were campaigning, we promised people of Bungoma that we will be able in 1 year complete all the stalled projects. Misihu Brigadier, Dorofu Kandui, Musikoma going to Mungatsi, and many other projects. Up to now, 1 year down the line, no single stalled project has been completed, or even a process of starting that road has been initiated.
I remember His Excellency the President, when he was giving the State of the Nation address on the floor, he said farmers will be paid their arrears before Christmas. In fact, he promised them a Christmas gift. We ran with that message to our farmers. The farmers waited until Christmas time. There were no payments. We told them we are going to get paid after Christmas. No payments. We promised them that we are going to at least push so that we ensure they get paid before schools open. Right now, up to now, no farmers' arrears have been released, and it is very, very, very painful.
Tunataka kuwaona kule Bungoma wakizindua miradi kama hii. Murkomen hajazuru mkoa wa Magharibi tangu tupite kura kama Kenya Kwanza. Tumemwona pembe zote. Wamekuwa wanafanya mazoezi na kukimbia mbio za nyika pembe mbalimbali za nchi ya Kenya. Bungoma iwaje hawaji kulipa madeni ya kisiasa ambayo kwayo tulitoa jasho na kusaga meno.
Wadhi yumo machuoka ndi wengi anenu wacho na ng'eri adeka uchiel no